Just thought I would share how I go about getting a pretty low car up on these hydraulic car ramps. My fender hits the ramp before the wheel hits the start of the ramp because they're very steep. So I made this pre-ramp. And the way I made it is like 22 centimeters wide, and they're full 2 inches each board. So that's like 10 centimeters, 11 centimeters there. You can just laminate some boards together to get the thickness. It's not a big deal. This is 50, this is 50, and that's 30. Everything is centimeters, so 50 centimeters, 50 centimeters, and 30 centimeters. And the reason I did it this way is because the two first boards are very long, and this height is about how high I can get away with, and it still fits under the fender. Then the wheel is up on here. I can still get up to here without this hitting the fender. If I don't have this board, this part would still hit the fender, so I had to add this. But this is great because you get some steps. You get the car to here, you take a break, go out, check your progress, get it to here. Once again, you have a plateau, go out, take a break, and then you commit to the start. I don't like that I have to commit all the way, because I always get a little bit paranoid if everything is still aligned, especially because I'm on gravel. I have a little precaution here. I have a little precaution. I have these two boards that rests against the wall. Then I have this beam that goes across that supports them so they don't slide. If I don't have the wall, I just pound rebar through those boards at an angle this way. Just half-inch, 12 millimeter rebar. They don't have to be more than 20 centimeters long, and just pound them in. They don't have to be insanely strong. Just 3 of them is plenty, so this doesn't slide. Also, I have this cheap $20, €20 IP camera that I put here so I can actually see if the wheels hit the ramps at the right point. It's not 100% foolproof, but it gives me an idea, so I can kind of get to this point, and then I get out and see if anything is shifted. So this is a great way to do it. I couldn't find any videos that really showed the whole thing, both on gravel and with a little pre-ramp, but this works fine. So yeah, if you have any questions, you're welcome to ask them.